Hey there, beauties! Welcome back to Council Craft. Today I'm sharing my go-to routine for that perfect everyday glow. This look is effortless and perfect for office, school, or just chilling. Let's get glowing. First up, skincare. Glowing makeup starts with healthy, hydrated skin. 1. Cleanse and hydrate. Oily skin? Grab a gel-based or foaming cleanser to nix that extra oil without stripping your skin. Dry skin folks, a hydrating or cream-based cleanser is your BFF. And if you've got sensitive skin, stick to a gentle, fragrance-free option. My fave is Best Gentle Cleanser Name. It cleans without drying you out. 2. Hydrating toner or essence. A toner with hyaluronic acid or rose water is perfect for plumping and prepping the skin. Gently press it in for max hydration. I love Best Hydrating Toner Name for that extra boost of glow and moisture. 3. Brightening serum. A vitamin C serum evens out your skin tone and adds natural radiance. If you have combo or oily skin, niacinamide is your go-to for a glowing and balanced look. Try Best Vitamin C Serum Name. It brightens and smooths beautifully. 4. Moisturize. A gel cream moisturizer offers lightweight hydration. Oily skin? Opt for an oil-free water-based formula. Dry skin? Go for something rich and nourishing. Best Lightweight Moisturizer Name gives hydration without the grease. 5. Glow Sunscreen. A dewy SPF with squalene or hyaluronic acid doubles as a glow booster. Best Glowy Sunscreen Name is perfect for protecting your skin while adding that radiant finish. Alright, let's dive into the makeup. Step 1. Hydrating Primer. A radiance-boosting primer helps your makeup glide on smoothly. Best Hydrating Primer Name creates the perfect luminous base. Step 2. Glow Foundation or Tinted Moisturizer. Use a sheer foundation or glow-boosting tinted moisturizer. Blend with a damp sponge for an airbrushed effect. I recommend Best Glow Foundation Tinted Moisturizer Name for a lightweight, dewy finish. Step 3. Spot Conceal. Use a lightweight, hydrating concealer on dark circles or blemishes. Avoid matte formulas to keep that fresh glow. Best Hydrating Concealer Name blends seamlessly. Step 4. Cream or liquid highlighter. Dab it onto your cheekbones, nose, and Cupid's bow. Blend for a natural skin-like glow. Best Cream Highlighter Name gives that dewy glass skin effect. Step 5. Cream Blush. A peach, coral, or rosy blush adds a healthy, youthful glow. Blend it into your cheeks and a little on your nose for that sun-kissed vibe. Best Cream Blush Name is natural, buildable, and radiant. Step 6. Shimmer Eyeshadow and Light Mascara. Use champagne, rose gold, or soft bronze shimmer on your lids, and apply brown mascara for a softer look. Best Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette Name and Best Light Mascara Name are my go-tos. Step 7. Glossy Lip Balm or Lip Oil. Finish off with a hydrating lip oil or tinted lip balm. Best Lip Oil Lip Balm Name is nourishing, glossy, and comfy. And that's it, your perfect everyday glow. Let me know in the comments your favorite glow-boosting product. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video for more awesome tutorials. Bonus tip. For an extra dewy look, mist your face with a hydrating setting spray throughout the day. See you next time.